Let's see Tim play Rockstar. He should sing for us.
Yeah, that'd be good. You're a singer.
Come on, Tim. There was even a hairbrush around here that you can use for a mic. And if all else fails, you can just take your fingers like this, do the hang loose side, get that coat. Oh God.
Jesus. Are you gonna be a rock star?
Is he?
No, Elizabeth.
No!
We do not need Elizabeth running around in just a diaper. You know, you should take the arms of that and like tie them. No, like tie them like around your. There we go.
It looks like he's gonna sting somebody now.
No, you better not miss the intro, man.
Oh God.
There's a candlestick.
Come on!
You can use a candlestick.
Yeah.
Come on, Tim. Come on.
Oh, Tim. 2 hours. I told you.
That's my microphone. Oh my God, it's open.
Yeah, you should use a candle, Tim.
Get into it, Tim.
Stop that. There's a candle right there, and you should
I'm
use
trying
that.
to find it.
It's right.
Oh. Oh.
No, look. To your right. To your right.
There's like
right. Candelabra. To your left.
to your left.
Cold, cold, cold.
There's like 5 of them.
Well, take them out. It's just a candelabra. You can take it out. Now put the bottle down.
Are you filming?
Do you even know this song?
Yeah.
You should sing, Tim.
I am.
No, you're lip
Ready?
syncing.
See, I'll sing louder.
Oh, jeez. Put the bottle away.
Oh, wait. Come here, Elizabeth.
No.
Tim! That's not even funny.
No, no. I was gonna do nothing perverted.
That was perverted. Walking over there with that like that is perverted, okay? Now put the bottle down.
You got something chunky hanging off your lip.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my sandwich.
You sandwich?
Put the bottle
It
away.
is.
No, put it down on the table.
Rockstar, I'm pretty fucked. That was kind of funny.
It's a rock star right there.
I need to take this off.
Ow! Ow!
Sorry. Wait, close up.
I hate you. God!
Jeez.
Ow! Oh.
What am I doing?
I don't know, but it's hilarious. You can only see.
I'm a bumblebee.
You should stick that bottle up your ass and make it your stinger. You should
drop it. You should drop your load, Tim.
No, don't drop my bottle.
Pregnancy.
Oh God. Oh God.
I think we know what Tim's gonna be like when he quits drinking.
Ew, I got a boogie in my nose. Look at this. I don't like my boogie.
I'm gonna pee.
Oh my God. Find a paper towel.
You're missing like the whole song, Tim. He still has the boogie.
No!
Here comes the part. They have to get on your knees for this, man. Play some piano.
Oh my God.
Okay, enough. I'm tired.
That is your brain on drugs, children. No hallucinogens.
Candy.
What?
He's sober.
Yeah, but this is what happens afterwards when you've already done them all. Normal people don't do this. This is the working of a crazy, crazy man.